Another example of a sand-cast bronze case featuring 5 changeable hand-change wheels in this curve that makes this an unusual lock, and it has a geared fence, roller fence, that is built underneath right in here. Sliding square bolt. The 5 100 number dials, oh, I'm sorry, it's 4, makes a possible combination changing of 100 million and a setting of a selection of combination numbers in that same amount. This is a top outside drive, and again, if the spindle is punched or pressed in, it would bypass the rest of the lock and leave this intact to keep and protect the security of the safe. Features 100 number dial and the unique dialing index to the early Yale manufacturer.